Unong yalam kaseng National People's Party NPP ubadairu Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba Comingone Ymbon haka arpo terik risau ulaong bakaseng Voice of the People Party VPP kan job watang kaweru ke seat haka neka election kabanwan Syaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Bajante Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Habakran Syllad patai kubor u amban ulaong ngalayu i baki VPP ken job watang kaweru ke seat na khasi ban Bajante Hills. Kadau ngatharai phitip khambha banyanga ngala sakhi lengba kilat pathai khubor ba philong persya ya ka VPP bargi pai baru kilong persya ya ka neka parti VPP ulaong syusyo. Nalor kata u Ymbon ulapan pauru ya ka jisngos kem baka NPP kan wan phabiang hakabor hak hasi Bajante Hills hadin ka election Syaki ADC kabanlong how news nem ubanwan. Ulaong ru baka NPP kan yakun persya ya ka VPP Henry persya ya ka UDP Congress but BJP haka ne ka election kabanwan.
Not only in the VPP, all the parties, no, even the UDP, even the so many parties. Every election with UDP, NPP, VPP, and Congress also, and BJP also. I think as of now, I have seen the people of the state, they give the mandate to the NPP. This is the MDA government. I think this time also, NPP will come back in the MC election. Hills, I have seen zero, I think. As of now, people didn't accept this VPP. The reason, I think you know better than me. I have seen today in your newspaper also, you against the VPP. People's against the VPP. I think you know better than me regarding that.